The Indian currency is gaining strength against the US dollar, and that is mainly due to the recent statement from the Reserve Bank of India. Now, what exactly happened? Let me explain it to you. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das said that the central bank will take a neutral stance going forward. Now, what does that mean? It means that they won't be selling or buying dollars from the market. They won't be intervening in the Forex market. So basically, it's a non-interventionist approach. Why is that, though? Why did the RBI take this decision? Because of the current situation with the US and India, the ongoing trade war, if you may. The US has been pressuring India to appreciate its currency, the rupee. What does that mean? It means the US wants the rupee to become stronger against the dollar. Why do they want that? Because an appreciating rupee means Indian goods become more expensive, right? So America wants Indian goods to become expensive so that their own goods look cheaper by comparison. That's called an unlevel playing field, and India has been resisting that pressure. Now, how is the RBI helping the rupee? By not intervening in the market, the RBI is letting the market forces decide the value of the rupee, and that is helping the rupee gain some ground against the US dollar. Today, the Indian currency hit a fresh high. It touched 79.86 against the dollar. This is the highest level in nearly 2 months. The rupee is up more than 2% this month. What does all of this mean for you and me? If the rupee is gaining strength, then it is good news for importers. Their cost of imports will go down. It will also help cool inflation to some extent because cheaper imports mean less pressure on prices, but it's bad news for exporters. Their products will become expensive in the global market, and that could hurt India's trade prospects. So overall, it is good news. India is taking on the US pressure and standing up for its own interest. And that is something the RBI governor was very clear about today. He said that India will not be pressured by global events. This is what he said. "We will not be pressured by any external development," he said, "nor will we hesitate to take any measure to protect the integrity and the stability of the financial system." Strong words there from the RBI governor. And these are unprecedented times. We have a war raging in Ukraine, economies slowing down, there are fears of recession, and all of this is impacting the currency markets. But India seems to be in no mood to buckle under pressure. The RBI is standing firm, and that is good news for the Indian economy. Our news service is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.